Hey, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode, we're going to go inside of Aldi and do some keto diet grocery shopping. Come see my Aldi Keto haul coming up next. Hey guys, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode, we're going to go into the Aldi. We're going to get a whole bunch of items for the ketogenic diet, do our keto grocery shopping haul. As always, take your fingers down with a shopping cart and click like on this video if you like it. Make sure you click subscribe to see all things keto and intermittent fasting, and make sure you're signed up for my free weekly Wednesday weight loss keto diet meal plan. My gift to you for being part of the Countess of Low Carb community, my free meal plan that I use for my family. Let's go dive in. So our Aldi does have the broccoli crust and the pepperoni, and then they also have the cauliflower crust. I'm going to check it out to see the back of it to see what the ingredients are. I'm a little bit skeptical, but I am so excited to see this here at my local Aldi's. I wanted to show these two different brands. There is a wing sauce one, and then this one that's a seasoned one, just for if you're making wings, which I love in my air fryer. I have tons of keto air fryer videos about wings. This one is made out of canola oil. It's the second ingredient is canola oil, which is inflammatory. If you're making the conscious decision, if you love that item, that's one thing, but a lot of people are not making conscious choices. That's corn-based, that's inflammatory-based, it's a no-no. So I wanted some wing sauce. It's still the best just to make your own with your own butter, your own hot sauce. You can control what goes into your wings versus say one of these. On the ketogenic diet, right? Keto is all about high fat, moderate protein, low carb, but also not having the inflammation. So I ended up not getting any Kerrygold butter. They are out. I don't know if it's because they're discontinuing it or if it just wasn't on the shipment, which sometimes happens. So I don't have that. That was on my list. So I think I have to go to another store because I need it for my Alfredo recipe later this week. If you are loving this video, make sure you smash that like button and click subscribe and sign up for my free weekly Wednesday email. So this is one of my favorite tomato sauces I get. It's the 29-cent cans because in it, relative to ones that you buy online, it's only 30 cents for it. But also it only has 3 carbs in for the fourth a cup serving. So I would recommend this one. This is the one that we stock up on personally if we're going to make one of our fathead pizzas or one of our other items like our keto pasta we're using zucchini noodles, this brand. One day I'm going to try these olives. Today I'm not that brave, but that is definitely a keto item is the olives. And they do have great vinegar for deviled eggs. I just like using their plain vinegar, but they do have awesome apple cider vinegar too if you're in need. Sweet little one with me, so I'm trying to do sweet little one momming back there, also getting my items. I've gotten so far mushrooms, of course, organic is best, do the best you can afford, but this is one of their weekly items that they did have. They also have the organic, organic romaine wraps, which I recommend. Again, always do organic is best, but do what you can afford. And then they do have strawberries on sale this week for under $1, so I'm getting 2 of those, and we'll stock up on those. In addition, I got some radishes. In the bunch too. Again, those being a root vegetable, I like to get organic. I just don't have time to go over the mountain to go get them from the organic Whole Foods. And then I did get some extra dressing, which of course, knowing it's made out of soybean oil, canola oil, those are inflammatory properties, but doing the best you can afford and with your time constraints too. I could order it online, which I have done through Primal, which I'll put in the description link below if you want to get the cleanest keto product. But I just don't have time, nor am I'm okay with making the conscious choice of having that soybean oil in the ranch dressing. So I'm in the butter section, and they don't have here any more Kerrygold. So I have to go to, I think, Walmart to get my Kerrygold butter. Ours has discontinued it, or it's just not here on this shipment. So I'm in my favorite section, my favorite aisle. I am trying to stay to my budget. Put in the comments below if you're like me. I know there's so many of you out there right now who love this section, and there's so many good things. So I'm gonna adhere. My husband told me not to get anything, but I kind of want to get one of these glass dispensers. Cliffhanger to see if I end up getting it. Stay till the end, and I'll show you if I do get this or if I don't. I've been talked into my negotiation of my future CEO, my 3-year-old sitting. sitting in the cart right there to get the doggy and to get the kitty. They're not part of my decluttering. They're part of my, they're going outside, but they have little eyeballs. Look, these eyeballs light up. How cool is that? We need fun. We need fun. We need to not be free decloxins. We need to have fun. So I'm gonna those are gonna be my purchases, my fun purchases. Mamas, do you feel me out there? Just took my little one to go potty, my little toddler into the Aldi potty. Exceptionally clean potties, but Lord, I need any of your wisdom. Put in the comments below for potty training wisdom. I need it. This mama needs it. So I'm a little flustered. The car 2 cars down from me got arrested. Lots happening here in Virginia, in rural Virginia. So I'm gonna go to Starbucks. I'm gonna order a Trenta iced green tea, no classic, which is the sweetener, or no sugar in it. And that's my reward. And then my 3-year-old and I are gonna go schlep our groceries inside, and I'll show you everything that I got. Here's all of my goodies. Let me show you everything that I got. Okay, we are back from our Aldi Keto grocery shopping haul. I got 2 things of their cream cheese. I love using this in my Alfredo. It's a great way to get high fats in. That's super, super filling. And I can have it on top of vegetables. Super good. Next thing I got was my organic romaine lettuce. This is only 3 carbs for 6 leaves, or 1 net carb for 6 leaves. I love this. Have pretty much romaine or spinach at every single keto meal, either a keto lunch or keto dinner, depending on if I'm having OMAD 1 meal a day. I would highly recommend these. Strawberries on super, super clearance for like $1. So I got 2 packs. We will blow through these. I probably won't have any just because the sweetener sometimes makes me crave sugar later on. So I do try to stay away from low carb fruits, even berries. I did get some Thousand Island dressing. This is made with soybean oil, which is inflammatory, which is really not keto. It's more of a low carb thing because no soybean oil on the ketogenic diet. But this is 4 carbs for 2 tablespoons, so 2 carbs for 1 tablespoon. I did get some salsa. Salsa is more a low carb item than a keto item because there's 3 carbs and 2 tablespoons, or 2 net carbs and 2 tablespoons. So not the lowest carb thing, and I like to have it though sometimes with my keto chips. Totally not keto, but I thought it was so cute for my little boy for summer. Sometimes you have to have life things in there, and I know I'm gonna get comments about, but my kid's 3, he will enjoy this. And it was only like $2, so it looks like fun. Got was my cage-free eggs. Got a bunch of those. Those are easy to put in the Instapot and make hard-boiled eggs, or deviled eggs, or have scrambled eggs, fried eggs, eggs in toast. No toast, just kidding. Seeing if you're paying attention. Another thing is strawberries. I did get some mushrooms. Of course, these are not super good unless they're organic because they're in the ground. It's one of the higher bad items for vegetables, which ideally should be organic. They're not, but they were 89 cents. So I'm gonna roll with it because I'm not near a Whole Foods to get the organic ones where I live. I did get a classic Caesar salad dressing, 89 cents. This is 2 carbs. It's basically 1 carb per tablespoon. Again, made out of soybean oil, so it's a low carb diet thing, not a keto diet food. Low carb vegetable is my radishes. Again, ideally these should be organic. My Aldi does not carry them as organic. I did get some peppers, not a low carb vegetable, but my little boy wanted them. You can have low carb dinner like stuffed peppers and sausages. It makes for a fun little fun little thing. Also get some sour cream too. We were out. I was stunned. We were absolutely out. In my bag of tricks, I got 2 of these. These were part of their seasonal items. They're chorizo, no nitrates, none of those nitrates. We know that no nitrates don't matter per Dr. Berry's video, but I got 2 of these. I was interested. 0 carbs. It says best used by May 2020. I'm gonna roll with it. Next I got was 2 things of bacon. I always love to have bacon on hand. For me, that's sometimes just an easy keto meal or a lazy keto meal, having bacon on hand. I did get these family packs of organic ground beef, 85%, no antibiotics, no growth hormones. I will cut these up and put these in my freezer. These make for easy grilling keto meal prep dishes. And on my keto meal plan, my free keto meal plan, which is in the description link below, I can use these for tacos, hamburgers, cheeseburgers, lots of different things that are super easy to multi-purpose. I did get some heavy whipping cream too. We were also out of that.
I need to go poopy.
Thank you. Can you sit? They also had for July 4th these go quickly, like they have for limited edition, so I'm using these for July 4th. My big find that I'm super excited about. They had burger melt sized cheeses. There's only like 4 in here. It was ridiculous. They're like 50 cents a cheese thing, and you could easily cut up your own, but I just thought they were so cool. This one was blue cheese. I was excited about it. It's 0 carbs. I love blue cheese. It looked delicious. We'll go on those handy dandy burgers I just got. The next thing I also got was some more ranch dressing again. Soybean oil, not good. Primal dressing is the best one to get. And then the final thing was my tomato sauce. This is 30 cents a can, 29 cents a can. It's for a 1/4 a cup, 4 carbs, no sugars added. Does it have sugars added? No sugars added in the ingredients. It does say in the nutritional facts there is sugar, but this is better than, say, other ones you can buy on Amazon. I used to buy Amazon ones that were $2 or $3 per can. This is comparable. So I would highly recommend this. I usually buy these like 5 at a time, and just keep them in our pantry for when I need them for my fathead pizzas or for other stuff that we use them for. So that was my amazing Aldi haul. If you love this video, make sure you smash that like button. Make sure you click subscribe to see all things ketogenic diet, all things intermittent fasting, and make sure you're signed up for my free weekly Wednesday weight loss email where I email you my keto diet meal plan. Make it a powerful day. Bye, guys.